Introducing the 2021 Skoda Octavia C STY 1.0 TSI, the ultimate combination of style, comfort and safety. With a powerful 110 horsepower engine, sleek white exterior and luxurious interior features, this estate vehicle is sure to impress. Equipped with a wide range of comfort and safety features, such as air conditioning, cruise control, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind, knowing you're protected. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and service to manufacturer specification, you can trust that you're getting a quality vehicle. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit our website at spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive in style and comfort with the 2021 Skoda Octavia C STY 1.0 TSI.